Let me be honest with you. I don't have time is one of the biggest lies we tell ourselves. Not because we're lazy, but because it feels safer than the truth. Because the truth is this: we all have the same 24 hours, same clock, same rules. The difference isn't time, it's priorities. Think about it. When something really matters, you suddenly find time. A deadline, a crisis, a person you care about. Time didn't magically appear. You made space for it. Here's the real problem. Most of our time isn't missing. It's leaking. It leaks into scrolling, into notifications, into saying yes to things that don't move our life forward. And then at the end of the day, we say, I was busy all day, but I didn't do anything important. Sound familiar? So let's fix the leak. First, plan your day the night before. Not a long list, just 1 or 2 things that actually matter. Second, stop starting your day with your phone. The moment you do, you let the world decide your priorities for you. Third, do the hardest task first. Not because it's easy, but because once it's done, everything else feels lighter. Here's the shift that changes everything. Stop asking, do I have time? Start asking, is this worth my time? Because time is your life. And every hour you waste is one you never get back. Fix how you spend your time, and your confidence changes. Your results change. Your life changes. If this hit home, subscribe for daily motivation and clarity.